You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing the SFX side of the Anti-Halloween, I was gonna say anti-Halloween, Anti-Valentines Day video that I put up on Tuesday. So if you guys are excited to see how I got this Eat Your Heart Out video, then just keep watching. So first things first, I need to lose this wig because I don't want to wreck it. So I want to put that to the side for now. I'm going to put my hair back up. Let's be a little bit fine. More bright. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to pour some liquid latex into my bowl that you guys know I always use. And there is dried liquid latex. Gross. Alright, so I'm taking Ben Nye's liquid latex and I am just pouring a little bit of it into a bowl. And this is a tutorial where I am ripping my heart out of my chest and it'll be in my hand, which I've already created right here, my little gelatin heart that I need to cover in blood and whatnot. I have a tutorial that I watched that I will put in the description box down below. It is Glam and Gore's tutorial on how to make the gelatin heart, and then I will also list the tutorial down below, the one that I watched before attempting this myself, which was a girl doing this exact same thing, and I just wanted to give it a try. So obviously this isn't my idea, this has been done many times on YouTube, but this is just my recreation and version of it. So thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, let's just get started. I gotta bring you guys down too so you can see the hole on my chest. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the hole on the left side of the chest in anatomy, I can't speak. It's actually in the center of your chest. It is between your left and your right lung, but it leans slightly to the left side, so that's the side that I'm going to be putting it on. I'm going to put it on right here. So I am using liquid latex, as I've already said, so I am going to map out where I want my heart on my chest to have sat. So I'm just taking a marker like this, like an eyeliner, and I'm just going to draw on my chest where I want to lay down the latex. So just a quick little circle, and then I'm going to lay the latex down all around that. So now I'm going to go in with cotton balls. So I'm just unraveling the cotton balls and I'm just going to lay them down where I put the latex. And then of course going in over top with my dog is dreaming. I can hear him from the hallway. He's snoring and barking in his sleep. I'm just lifting the edges up a little bit just to make it look like it's actually like a hole instead of it being flat against my chest. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to lay down just a little bit more cotton on some of the spots that I want to be raised. But now using a palette knife, I'm just smoothing down the edges and raising up the centers. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of latex and just put it all around the edges. And now while that's drying, I'm going to fill in the black hole with some body paint. So this is the Mehron body paint in black, and I'm just using my Made You Look brush. Once you have a hole there, you can wait for the latex to dry fully, and then you can go in with your shade of foundation, and then you can just change the color of the latex to whatever skin tone you need. Okay, so now that the latex is almost fully dry, I'm gonna go in with a makeup sponge like so and my foundation, and I'm just going to change the color of the latex to match me a little bit better and the surrounding. So now that I have that all done, this is when you can go in with some eyeshadow, or you can go in with some alcohol activated paint. I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow at first because I want my skin to look irritated around it. So I'm gonna go in with a red and a brown mixed together, and I'm just gonna go around the wound. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of light brown and some black. And there is my hole. So now you can get your blood and you can do some drips all around it, and you can have the heart in front of you. So I am going to go in with a little bit of stage blood. So this is the Ben Nye stage blood, and I am just going to pour a little bit into my bowl. And then I am going to go in with a stipple sponge like so, and I'm just going to stipple just some blood marks around and on the inside. Inside really doesn't matter though because it's black, so you can't really see anything, but this is where if you had scab blood, this would be perfect. I do not have any scab blood at the moment, so I'm just going to have to deal with just some blood. Or your subscribers. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are interested in how to make a fake heart or how to get this cool look, then watch the video. To get this fake heart, you'll have to watch Glam and Gore's video. I'll link it down below for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And I will see you guys at my next video. Bye! Doesn't it look cool?